Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to copy over photos to a USB drive on your Windows computer. So let's go down to the bottom, go to File Explorer, and right click on this and open this up. And then go down to this PC. Now you can see my one hard drive on here, my Windows C drive. Plug in your USB drive, and you'll see it pop up under this list, so you know exactly which one it is called. So it might automatically open up File Explorer too, which is fine. But we can see it's called the USB drive under this window now. So let's go back. And I might want to create a specific folder under here. So I got a new folder where I just copied a bunch of stuff over. So right click into here and then go to where it says new and create a folder under here. And then go to folder and let's just type in pictures or something like that. Pictures 1. All right, so I'm going to put all my pictures into here. Now go back to this screen right here, and we want to locate where our folders are. So it could be in, I don't know, the C drive somewhere, under users, your name, under pictures, somewhere in here. Otherwise, if you got OneDrive, it could be on the top left, or you can just go directly to a gallery. But I'm just going to go to my pictures folder. Here's some saved pictures. Well, nothing's in there, so I'm going to go back, I guess. Here's some screenshots. All right, so I got some screenshots. I'm just gonna drag all my cursor across all of them, just like this. I believe you can hold down Shift and click on the specific screenshots as well. So I'm just gonna highlight them. And then at the top, there should be options to copy it or cut it. So you can also right click on it and go to copy. Now let's go back to this PC, go to USB drive. Go to my folder, pictures 1, right click into here and go to paste. And now I just pasted them all over here. Now go back to this PC, go to your drive and go to eject. And it's safe to remove now, and you can remove it from your computer. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.